Come here, Turb. Good morning, Turbo.
Oh, you're so early.
He's kind of a whiner. The Lowe's team is gonna be here in about an hour, so I should probably get up, shower, get my life together, drink a little coffee, have a little breakfast. John, are you ready?
Well, you just threw that up.
This is your first time on camera, huh?
This is my first time being mic'd up.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Whoa, you're so legitimate.
Do you feel like you have to watch what you say?
Yeah, kind
Are
of.
you a little nervous?
Shut it off.
I told him not to sell my tape to the
This is Monica. Hey. So Monica hosts the Weekender show for Lowe's, which is what we're filming today.
Yeah. So this bedroom is gonna look totally different in 2 days.
This is the master.
This is my humble suite.
You got a little tour for me?
Yeah, it's basically just floor.
Yeah.
And mirror right now. And the Sony, you gotta have the TV up.
We're gonna be doing some DIY projects together.
Yeah, have you ever used any power tools?
I mean, I'm pretty handy with like a power drill.
She recently assembled a 200-piece Lego set though, so I think maybe she...
You did that on the plane,
yes.
didn't you?
The Legos
The
were like
tiniest
tiny.
Legos I've ever seen.
You know,
what was it? Alvin, like a cupcake or giraffes? Pancakes. Okay.
Pancakes. I sat there and I started building it and I was like, why am I doing this right now? This is way too hard. And then I was like, wait, I'm here for like 13 hours.
You're basically a general contractor now.
Yeah, basically you should do the makeover.
Do you want me to build this stuff?
You pretty much should.
Do you guys want to go home?
I'm heading out. See ya.
Monica, I want you to know, of all the boxes that came in, I didn't peek in anything.
Not one.
The only thing I peeked at was the rug, which was free game because it was in a clear wrapping.
It wasn't clear wrapping.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Are you gonna be peeking in this room?
No, I'm not gonna peek. Question: do you ever wear overalls when you paint?
Absolutely not. I look horrendous in overalls.
Really? Would you wear some if you had some?
It's the only time you wear overalls in the planet. I can do a shit job if you want.
Is John giving you attitude already? We're only like an hour in.
He's sweating. Can't handle the heat.
That's not saying very much because he's always sweating.
Oh man.
So
you're doing great. It's just a little unorthodox method, but it's good.
He's doing tiny pieces too. I think he's doing a fine job.
wait, so can I tap out from this? I can't reach any further.
I know. I thought you were a lot taller than you are.
Yeah,
so I guess
sorry.
I'll handle the top.
I played you.
Yeah. Absolutely.
You're just killing it, you know?
Thank you. Yeah. Empty praise.
Yeah. Oh, you got tools now?
Oh yes. Let me introduce you to my little friend.
Oh, great.
You're my little friend.
All
That's
right.
about to get a lot taller.
Yeah, I guess she put me back to work. I have to go now.
Just wrapped our first scene. I think I kind of warmed up halfway through.
Yeah, I think you did. You did great.
That was tricky. I hope they don't deceptive editing me, Lowe's. You better do it. Don't play me, Lowe's.
You creeping?
Yeah, I'm creeping. Checking to see if she opened up any of the furniture yet.
I guess there's a big piece that they said is like freight that hasn't come yet.
When's that?
It's supposed to come today.
What time? Make sure I'm here. Check you out.
You made yourself a little cozy tent there.
Oh, that. Yeah. These are the new hottest glasses.
Actually, clear glasses are super hot right now.
Are they?
Yeah.
So I was
Maybe not
ahead of
this
the game.
shape.
Maybe not.
These are kind of like you would like. These are just like dad goggles.
Why would I like them?
Would you know what to do with this?
The saw?
Look at it. It's not even on a level surface.
I think you put your hand underneath it and then you push it down.
No.
I think this might be my favorite piece. Is it
battery?
I think it's a radio.
Shut up.
I think it's just like
really?
I think it's just a jamming radio.
No. It looks like one of those little things from Halo.
So basically, the way we'll do it is we're going to make a bunch of cuts first on the saws.
Okay.
And then we'll come over and we'll just assemble it all together.
Okay.
And you said you're good at assembling Legos, so
I really am.
this will be a breeze for you.
Okay.
We did it. Hi.
Today's day 2. Second day of the Weekender. I like sleeping in here.
Yeah, your ass has been trying to watch the same 60-minute segment, but you fall asleep like right in the beginning.
I was pretending to watch it last night. Like I've kind of propped myself up
You
as
did.
if I was watching it, and then I was
you
like,
even sleep nodded.
I did.
Yeah.
I did.
You left your glasses on. I was like, oh. she's
John was
still
trying to get me to watch the show like 2 nights in a row now, and I was like so tired that I pretended like I was watching it on the iPad, but I was actually like this.
I was like, it's about to get good. That's good.
I sleep nodded on you.
I should make you watch it now, but you have shit to do, and I want you to fall asleep.
That was like your favorite episode too.
Yeah, you'll never know how good it is.
This Zoom is so slow. Have you done anything on camera today?
You know, I'm kind of wondering if like maybe they don't like my performance.
Oh, is that what it? Today's day 2.
Today's day 2. They kind of scrapped one of my scenes,
Oh.
and like they put me in just a group scene.
Oh.
Maybe they think I'm shit. Maybe you guys can let them know I'm not shit.
Did that really happen, or are you just being dramatic?
They're probably just busy. In other news, I'm killing the gram right now. If you guys don't follow. I'm coming for you, Will Smith. You got your time, it's my turn.
You're so stupid. He's getting nervous. He's getting nervous. You're on too?
Hey, how are you?
I see your outfit change.
Day two.
Is that what the espresso was for?
Yes.
Wow. It all makes sense now. What am I supposed to say? Something?
Yes.
Go
So,
Sixers or
no, doors.
doors?
Take one.
Take one.
Mark for A and B.
Mark for A and B.
Nailed it.
Did that, girl.
They're filming over there. Yesterday was my turn to do all my DIY projects, and today is John's day. And I just really get a kick out of watching him do things, like handy things, because it's not really his vibe. But I really enjoy watching it. So they're hanging up new closet doors. And then I think after that is when they kick us out, and then we don't get to see it until it's done. So I'm pretty excited. The paint looks really good. I saw the barn door. I love barn doors. And yeah, and then we're not gonna see it until it's done, but go, John, green light. Pay attention. Come on, get with it or get lost.
Don't.
Ow! The contractors are at the house right now, but there's no filming happening today. So Junes and I are going to get some food. We got the kids with us soon. The son. And then after that, we're actually gonna go to Desi and Steven's house. They're in Dubai right now. But they were like, if you guys wanna, you know, get out for a second, come use our house.
We're gonna Airbnb there.
Yeah, or if you guys want to come through, we're gonna Airbnb, throw a little house party today. Just go chill in their backyard, kind of relax for a second. There's just a lot of activity in our house at the moment, so I have so much organizing I need to do at home, but
Not right now.
not right now. I gotta get out. I need to get out. Come here. You've jumped further for less. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so brave. We're not going to the vet, we're going to breakfast. You excited, Mom? Yeah. We're on our way to go pick up a special, I guess it's not a special guest.
New addition.
New addition to the family. You want to tell us about her?
She's so cute. She's so tiny.
What is she?
She's a Chorky.
You're having your Paris Hilton moment, huh? You have a purse dog? Do we need to get you like a Chanel bag?
No, she's not that little.
Is she gonna sleep in bed with you?
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Don't lie, she's gonna sleep in bed with you.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Don't lie. What is that? What is it? Come on. Come on. Come in. Hey, puppy. What do you think, guys? Piggy? Little Miss Piggy? Cranberry?
It has to be
bean.
two syllables.
Jelly bean.
That's three.
Beans.
Do you look like a beans?
Your hair's starting to grow back in. We're ready.
It's time.
Time to see the room.
This is where we leave the vlog. If you want to see the reveal, go check it out on Lowe's channel. You're like very calm right now, and it kind of bothers me. I'm like,
What are you
jitter.
nervous about?
I don't know. It's just like on Christmas Day, you know, and you don't know. That was me. Are you nervous?
No.
Is your butthole puckered?
Oh no, my battery's dying.
Oh no.